I know. You're like smooth.
Just eat the noodles. We'll have just the noodles. Just eat the noodles then, sweetie. And we'll have macaroni and cheese tomorrow, okay? Okay? We have macaroni and cheese tomorrow. Okay?
You like this, puppy?
Bo,
Oh.
do you see Lauren's red bow? Uh-oh. Where's her bow now?
Don't worry. Her mommy will put it back on her head.
You like it?
There's the red bow.
Yvonne
Elbow.
likes the soup.
Elbow.
And Elizabeth likes the soup.
The arrow is pointing to the baby's elbow.
Can you point to your elbow?
Cheek.
No.
Cheek.
See, that's super big.
Marco is blowing and pointing to his cheek. Can you
We
picture
can
a cheek?
see the soup. We can like soup.
Look up. I'm looking up. Look down. I'm looking up.
Good job, Jonathan. Yay, Jonathan.
Touch your back.
Good job. Jonathan's a big boy.
Here.
You did such a good job. Yes.
Here's pointing to her.
Yay. And Vikram. And Jonathan's a big boy. Yay, Jonathan. We're proud of you.
Hand. Can you do this with
Awesome. Good job, everybody.
That's the hand.